Breaking overnight, police are investigating 3 armed robberies in the capital city. The first happened at the Irving Mini Mart around 9:30 last night on Plainfield Street. Police say 2 males displayed a black assault-type weapon and took off on foot with about $250 in cash. No arrests have been made. The second robbery happened just after midnight on Dexter Street. Officials tell us the male victim was approached by one person on foot while 2 people jumped out of a red hatchback. The victim was assaulted and then robbed of his wallet and cell phone. Police tell us the suspects then took off in the car. Authorities later found that car during a traffic stop. All 4 suspects have been taken into custody.